12, 13 minutes, and now we're listed all the way over to this side, and now RJ is little pequeño now.
Well, the boat isn't listed over as much. I don't know. Maybe because we have extra weight on the other side.
What are you trying to say?
I'd say
You little punk kid.
Anyway, if you notice though, we had to make this swim deck really small. Sometimes there's not enough room for 2 people.
Wow, Arch, you don't like taking it like a man. Blooper!
Victory! Alright, that was fun. RJ lost, of course. RJ. Thrill of defeat for you.
Thrill of defeat, thrill of defeat.
Okay. Now, we're going to put Ashley out here on the regular side. We got 1,000 pounds of water over here. Nothing over here, and you're going to see what the wake looks like on our regular side.
Don't expect much basis during the Ashley skills though.
Okay, now I got my buddy T-Bone here. T-Bone's 8. His name is Thomas. We call him T-Bone. I'm really not sure why.
He's way more handsome than RJ, by the way.
We need no comments from the videographer at this point. Anyway, we've had all the ballots on right side, and RJ surfed 12 miles an hour. We had Ashley going on the regular side, and we did those were done at the exact same speed, 12 miles an hour. So same ballast, approximately 950 pounds, maybe a little more on this side because the sack's a little bigger, maybe 1,000 pounds, 1,050 pounds, both going 12 miles an hour. Now we're going to put Thomas over here on this side. He starts goofy, and we're going to drop the speed to like 10.8, 11 miles an hour, because when you drop the speed down, it's easier for him. When you go a little too fast, he just has a little trouble. So we drop it down to 11, and you'll see the difference in the wake. and we'll get Thomas going. So here we go. Okay, to wrap up, we showed you just water ballast, everything hidden. And we still got our storage in the front and our huge storage compartment in our boat. Our Tige 24 VE is an excellent wake surf boat on on goofy or the regular side. And so I think we've accomplished what we were looking for, trying to find that boat that's perfect for us. Now, I'm not saying that there are not other great wake surf boats out there, because I'm sure there are. But I think putting the requirements that we had of hidden ballast, good on both sides, good recreation, good for practice, for competition. I think that's a tough nut, and I think we got it. And all right, so we've been behind several boats, or actually RJ's been behind surfing several boats, and those boats were weighted for competition, which means they're putting lead and doing everything they can to make those wakes as good as they possibly can be for the competition. We've been behind the Epic 23V, and we've been behind the Centurion Enzo 24, right? Sanger V237 you surf behind in the competition.
23
Tige 23, I think I'm missing one. I think that's about it. But we've been behind a lot of boats. And RJ, with the recreational way we have the weight of the Tige now, I mean, how does it stack up? Is it a great wake?
Yeah, I'd say it's just about as good as other waves. There could be a little preference if you want different types of waves, but I'd say the wave with the 1,000-pound ballast system, it's just as good as any other wave.
Just as good